You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actress and comedian once and for all correctly. For more celebrity names, stay tuned. Her own American English pronunciation, Aubrey. The British would say Aubrey, but she says Aubrey Plaza, not Plaza, Plaza, or Aubrey Plaza. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.